everyone, welcome to my channel. In this class we are going to learn the concept of Thales theorem or BPT theorem and converse of Thales theorem and corollary part of BPT. These three concepts we are going to learn in a one video and understand in a simple way. So what it is a statement of Thales theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to, this is a line which is drawn parallel to the side of one side of triangle BC, that line intersect the other two sides AB and AC, that is intersect AB intersect at D and AC intersect at E. This line it is, we call it as DE. This is parallel to BC. So then this line divide these two sides in a same ratio. That is the concept of Thales theorem that we are representing in a geometrical form. So here BC is parallel to DE. Then we get it AD divided by DB. Then AE divided by EC. This is the concept of Thales theorem. Then converse of Thales theorem, what it says? If a line divides, this line divides these two ratios in a same ratio, then these two lines are parallel. That is DE parallel to BC. That is the concept of converse of Thales theorem. Then AD divided by DB, which is equals to AE divided by EC. Then it will become BC is parallel to DE. So here compare the Thales theorem. First the lines are parallel they given. Afterwards we need to prove that ratios are equal. Then here first they given a concept ratios are equal. Then we need to prove the lines are parallel. So in both the case it's a reverse. So this is the meaning of converse. First we are proving BC and DE parallel the given, we need to prove that ratios are equal. In the converse the given ratios are equal and we need to prove that BC is parallel to DE. That means lines are parallel to. Like that we need to prove. Then what about corollary part? So here the given BC is parallel to DE. Then we need to prove AD divide by this complete AB. So which is equals to AE, this is AE divided by complete AC. So observe the difference here. AD divided by DB, which is equals to AE divided by EC. This is a Thales theorem proof we need to do. Then converse part we need to show BC is parallel to DE. In the corollary part, we need to AD divided by AB, then AE divided by AC. So this mathematical form, if you understand, it is easy to identify Thales theorem, converse of Thales theorem and corollary part of BPT. So using these three concepts, we are going to solve a grade 10, chapter number 6, first exercise as well as second exercise. So if you like a video, press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.